Hey, Mr. Heap here. Today we're going to continue with our program where we're making blocks disappear and we're finding blocks. Um, so there's one thing I don't like, and I found it when I was playing in this world. If you go down in my world, you see there's stone. Oh, let me go down further. Here we go. All right. So if we go down further, there's not just one stone. There's a whole bunch of stone. And I don't want people getting 1 point for every stone that's all around here. You can see it's just filled with stone. One world will be different than another world, but this one I happen to just be standing on a place with a lot of stone. I don't want that to happen. So let's get rid of that. And to get rid of that, I'm going to put bedrock in below and around it. So before I put in the dirt, I'm going to put in some bedrock that goes from a negative 11 and negative 11 for x and z to 11 and 11 for x and z. Our y is going to go from negative 1 to 1. So it's going to go one level below up to our top level. So it's going to have like a rim around the edge of our place. And I'm just going to comment in there that that code's making the bedrock. So I'm going to do something when I get rid of blocks. I'm going to get rid of every block except for when I hit the bedrock. So if the block ID is not equal to, that's exclamation equal, if it's not equal to 7, so if it's not bedrock, then I'm going to turn it to air. If it is bedrock, nothing happens. So watch what happens when I do this. So I go back into the world, and any block after I start the game, any block I hit, it disappears. However, when I hit bedrock, nothing happens. It doesn't disappear. So it makes it look like I can't destroy, it's an unbreakable block.